y'all. Hey, it's Angela Chatterfield. So happy to have you here today. I want to speak a little bit today about what you should expect when you go for your plastic surgery consultation. Now, going for a consultation is really the first step in actually moving towards surgery. Now, that's not to say that research is not the first step in looking for a plastic surgeon. Of course, that's the true first step. But once you've decided, I'm going to move forward, then it's time for a consultation. So what should you expect when you are going for a consultation? And more importantly, how should you prepare? So one of the things that you really want to make sure of when you're going for a consultation as a patient, make sure that you're on point. What do I mean by that? Well, when you're on point, that means you are pretty clear about what you're going to do. Maybe not the specifics, because obviously if you knew that, you'd do your own surgery. So it's not the specifics, but it's specifically what you want. So if you're going for breast augmentation, you should know, do you want to be super large? Do you want to stay same size, maybe just lifted? Have you taken a photo of yourself naked and actually looked at your breast? All that should be done before you go to the plastic surgeon's office for your consultation. It shouldn't be the first time that you've seen your breast. I know that sounds really crazy, but remember, I've been doing this since 1994, and I can't tell you how many times I've had patients who never even looked at before and after photos. They didn't look at their own before photo, so everything was new to them. And not that that's a bad thing, but you have to remember your consultation is a limited amount of time. Typically, most consultations across the country are 30 minutes to an hour. That's it. That's a lot of time to make a decision about something that is so, let's face it, it's a big investment, right? So you want to make sure before you go that you've done a little bit of homework. And most importantly, know about you. What is it you want? What do you desire? What matters to you? Because that's the piece of the consultation that there's no question about. No one can tell you about you better than you. So that's the first thing. Make sure that you're real clear on what it is that you want. Secondly, when you go into your consultation, be open-minded. Do not be one of these patients that go in with absolute ideas about what you absolutely want because your mother had a certain thing or your friend had a certain thing. Realistically, no two patients are alike. Nobody. Even when you look at before and after photos, they're only guidelines. I've said it 100 times to patients. If I show you before and afters and they're fabulous and you love how they look, but you're not happy with your result, would that be good enough as an answer? And they always go, no. Because what really matters is how you feel and how you like what you had done. So they're a guideline, and that's it. So be prepared when you go into your consultation to know what you want, but also be prepared to have an open mind and listen to what the expert is telling you. And then lastly, within that open-minded, persona, still be strong enough to ask questions. Ask questions. If you don't understand, say, I don't understand. Could you explain that to me again? Even if it means the doctor's left the room and it means asking the patient coordinator to call the doctor back in, do it. This is important. It's surgery, and it should matter. So you have to be 100% comfortable with moving forward. And all good patient coordinators want the same thing for you. We work really hard to make sure that you're comfortable and that you're getting what you want. So hopefully that's helpful and gives you a little bit of a push into the plastic surgeon's office. You know that I wish only the best for you. I want you to have the procedure that you want. So if you haven't followed us yet, make sure you do, because we're always updating with new information, new things that happen, and new tips and tricks. So remember, until I see you next time, take care of yourself, because you can't take care of anyone else unless you take care of yourself first. Have a great rest of the day. See you soon. Bye-bye.